Good afternoon, students. Today I will be introducing the new topic in grammar, that is prefixes. Let us learn what are prefixes. Prefixes are letters or group of letters that are added to the beginning of a word to make a new word with a different meaning. Again I am repeating, children. What are prefixes? Prefixes are letters or group of letters that are added to the beginning of a word to make a new word with a different meaning. What is the second point? Every prefix has its own meaning. Okay, every prefix has its own meaning. Let us see some examples. Here what we are going to do, here we are going to add a prefix to a base word. Understood? Now, here which is a base word? Balance, use, they are base words. Okay. Now, prefix, first example, I am is a prefix. I am means, that is im. Im means not. So when we add this prefix to a base word balance, it becomes imbalance. Okay. Next word, re means again. Okay. What is the base word here? Use. When we add this to a base word, it becomes reuse. Understood? Now we will learn where prefixes can be used. Prefixes can be used to create a new word, sometimes with an opposite meaning of the actual word. Now children, actual word means what? Base word. For example, I'll take the actual word possible. When I add, which prefix I can add here? Yeah, it is im. Okay. Now, when I add this im to the possible, that is the actual word, it becomes impossible. So opposite of possible is impossible. So sometimes it gives an opposite meaning of the actual word. Next point, to turn the word into its negative form. Negative form means to give the different meaning. For example, I take kind. Now, what I can add to this, which prefix? It is un. Unkind. Kind means, it's a positive word, and unkind is negative form. Okay, understood? Now let us learn this with the help of a table. Okay, now here the table is given base word, prefix plus base word, and type of meaning. Now first word is sure. So sure, it is un is prefix plus sure, it gives you unsure, which is opposite meaning also, and it's a negative form also. Now respect. For respect we add dis, dis, dis plus respect, it gives you disrespect, which is opposite in meaning also and negative form also. Okay. Next is order. So what order, which word we are using here? Prefix re plus order, it is reorder. So to put in order. Understood? Now next is balance. For balance, which prefix we are using? I am im. Im plus balance, it gives you the word imbalance, right? Now imbalance, it is also opposite in meaning and its negative form also. Correct? Next is complete. So what we are using here? Prefix in plus complete, it gives you incomplete. Okay, the word is incomplete, it is opposite in meaning also and negative form also. When suppose you say my work is incomplete, teacher, yes or no? Sometimes you say or not. So it is incomplete, it gives you opposite in meaning also and negative form also. Next is use. Use is a base word. So which prefix we are using here? Miss plus use. Understood? So we say misuse, right? So misuse, we can use here re also, re. Okay, reuse also. Understood? So misuse gives you opposite in meaning, use and reuse. So opposite in meaning, and it gives you the negative form also. I hope children, today's topic you understood very well. Okay, meet you in the next class. Till then, bye children.